Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn string function and methods in Python. String provides method to perform a variety of useful operations. A method is similar to a function. It takes arguments and returns a value. For example, let's create a variable name as name equal to sref, then print. In our last video, we type for check the variable holding which data values. Like here, I'm gonna type length, and inside the parenthesis, you have to put your variable name and print it. It will count the string. It will count the length of string. Okay. If I add more things like learning, and it will add, and you will get like this count variables. Okay, let's move to concatenation. What is concatenation? Concatenation means to join. Python allows to join two strings using concatenation operations plus, which is denoted by symbol plus. Let's say first name equal to sub, uh, last name last name name equal to learning, then say full name equal to, just concatenate with it, first name plus last name. Let's say last name and print it. You will get like this, full name. Then you will see soft learning. This is concatenation. Okay, let's move to next one. Next one is capitalization. For example, you can see here self-learning is everything is in lowercase, and I want the first letter in capitalized. Let's say print, uh, enter your variable name, then dot, and you can see here capitalize like this, enter it, and the play button, and you will see the soft landing. Look out, the S is in caps. Okay, let's see, I want everything in uppercase, to put like this and print name dot upper like this and print. You will get everything in uppercase. Okay, then let's print in everything in lowercase. Let's say caps everything, SUF space LERG. Okay, let's print it in lowercase, print name dot lower. It will convert everything into lowercase. Let's say, look at it, my value are in uppercase and it gives me in lowercase like this. Okay, let's move to next one, which is count. Say print and count the variable. Say name dot count. It will count the particular words, how many times it's returning. For example, in my values, n is 2 times. Okay, let's check n. It will return how many times the word in a string it repeating. N is 2 times repeating like this, and then you and then next one is mm, split. Next one is split. You can see soft learning. They both are in a single string. I can split this into two parts. Let's say print name dot split. It will split it. Let's see. Look at this. Soft learning. Like this. It just split it into two types. Okay. Then a replace function. Print name dot replace. And here you have to put what the value you have to change, and instead what you have to replace, like this. And the old value is mm, let's say n. Okay, n, and comma, and I have to replace it by new words. Say I want I. Okay, let's put I and print it. You will get like this. Self leering, self lyric, like this. Okay. Finally, repetition. What is repetition? Python allows us to repeat the given string using repetition operator, which is denoted by a symbol, multiplication, or star. Let's print name, then multiplication sign, like this, and 3, 4 randomly. You can give anything. 5. Okay, what will happen? Look at this. Soft learning, soft learning, soft learning, soft learning. It repeating 5 times. Okay, these are the string functions that perform useful operations. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.